In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to favorites in Google Photos. If you want a simple way to keep important pictures easy to find, using the favorites feature in Google Photos is a great option. It helps you quickly mark images you want to come back to later, whether they are special memories, reference photos, or just your best shots. To begin, open Google Photos on your desktop or laptop. Make sure you're on the main Google Photos screen where your images are visible. This method is especially convenient on a computer because it gives you a larger view of your photo library and makes selecting images a little easier. Once Google Photos is open, choose the photo you want to add to your favorites. Just click on the image to open it or highlight it, depending on the view you're using. Take a second here to confirm you've selected the correct photo before moving on. After selecting the photo, look toward the top of the screen for the star icon. This star is the control used to mark a photo as a favorite. Click the star and the photo will be added to your favorites. This is the quickest way to favorite a single image, and it only takes a moment. If you want to add more than one photo to favorites, you can do that as well. Return to your photo library and select multiple photos. Usually this means clicking each image you want to include so they are all selected together. This is helpful if you're organizing a batch of vacation pictures, family photos, or any group of images you want to access more easily later. With multiple photos selected, go ahead and find the three-dot menu. This is typically located near the top of the page and opens a drop-down list of additional actions you can take. Click the three dots, then look through the menu and choose the option for favorite. Once you select it, all of the highlighted photos will be added to your favorites at the same time. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're saving one image or several, Google Photos makes the process quick and straightforward. A useful tip is to favorite photos as you review them, instead of waiting until your library gets cluttered. That way, your most important images are always easy to find when you need them. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add photos to favorites in Google Photos.